Welcome students. Today I am starting the lesson how the camel got his hump. The world has just begun and the animals were working for humans. There was one lazy animal that did nothing and said nothing but hump. Even the clever Disney was at his wits' end. In the beginning, when the world was new and the animals were just beginning to work for man, there was a camel, and he lived in the middle of howling deserts. He did not want to work. He ate sticks and thorns and pricks, and when anybody spoke to him, he said hump, just hump and no more. Presently, the horse came to him on Monday morning with a saddle on his back and said, ब्रश ले लूँ?
ब्रश बाद में।
ये गड़बड़ है ये तो। Presently, the dog came to him with a stick in his mouth and said, Camel, come and fetch and carry like the rest of hump. The camel and dog went away with the man. ये क्या है? ये ब्रश तो ऐसे आवे ही ना, ये कहाँ बीच में पहुँच. Camel, oh camel, come and fetch and carry like the rest of us. Hump, said the camel, and the dog went away and told the man. Presently the ox came to him with the yoke on his neck and said, Camel, O camel, come and flow like the rest of us. The hump, said the camel, and the ox went away and told the man. At the end of the day, the man called the horse and the dog and the ox together and said, 3, O 3, I am very sorry for you. But that hump thing in the desert can't work, or he would have been here by now, so I am going to leave him alone, and you must work double time to make up for it. That made the 3 very angry, and they held a panchayat on the edge of the desert, and the camel came chewing cud and laughed at them. Then he said hump and went away again. Presently there came along the jinn who was in charge of all desert, rolling in a cloud of dust. So there were 3 friends, dog, camel and donkey. They lived in a forest, and the camel did nothing but said only hump. Jinn of all deserts, said the horse, is it right for anyone to be idle? Certainly not, said the jinn. Well, said the horse, There is a thing in the middle of your desert with a long neck and long legs, and he hasn't done a stroke of work since Monday morning. He won't trot. Well, said the Jinn, whistling, that is my camel. What does he say about it? He says hump and won't pillow, said the ox. Very good, said the Jinn. I'll hump if you will kindly wait a minute.